thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craven County in eastern North Carolina, Central Hyde County in eastern North Carolina, Central Dare County in eastern North Carolina, Carteret County in eastern North Carolina, Central Pamlico County in eastern North Carolina, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:39 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Body Island Lighthouse to near Hammock Beach State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Bern, Havelock, Morehead City, Newport, Stumpy Point, Cedar Island, Frisco, Harkers Island, South River, Cape Carteret, North River, Buxton, Wade. In effect until 1 p.m. for eastern North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for eastern North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Carteret, Craven, Dare, Hyde, and Pamlico.